you see here, now General Ayeke of Red Dragon, now in this way stand up. General Ayeke, where he just leave Red Dragon, and he there with some of the soldiers where he don't decide for work with them for free LBLM for this kind of ballon way probably I don't bring them for we. General Ayeke, I want to talk with you. People they talk say don't leave Field Marshal. Yes, I don't know whether I don't leave Field Marshal with bad intention or not. Why you don't leave Field Marshal? Talk me all Ambazonian people they hear.
General Ayeke this assistant commander for Red Dragon. We don't decide for leave the Red Dragon and Field Marshal. With so many reasons. I salute all Ambazonian citizens abroad and home. What do I would try for tell Ambazonian people and say, may they try for no one thing. This war not been a some particular person war. And me for fight this war and free the land. I not must stay for the same place with Field Marshal. I not must sleep for the same bed with you. But it will make me surprised. I want to come out for camp. I not be come out now with some bad aim. My problem, I want to come out for camp because the governing system be the rate of be poor. When you talk something, they need to consider. Till we know past man, you say mu do so before you work. They use na power. And I tell them, say war not be power. I be tell them, I tell Field Marshal in particular, say the BLM is divided into 3 subdivisions. You have Lebang, you have Alo, and Wabane. But Field Marshal, if we talk say Red Dragon of the whole BLM. But since I don't be with you for close to 2 years, you know we don't plan war for inside Alo or inside Wabane. All my own people them Alo, Wabane, plenty day for butches. They run. We call our Republic soldier young chop all the land. Anytime I say move go for the fight, they deny the focus now for one place. One thing again we make our command go. After spending close to 2 years with Field Marshal, blackmailing, dictatorship. And we don't see say our own government don't be more dangerous than La Republic's own. So, at the big one, something them they way Field Marshal don't tell people concerning me. He said I be betrayer. I feel ask Ambazonian people, what are the characteristics of a betrayer? May they answer me. No spoil man in name that because you know want to see me progress. I promise Ambazonian people, I go fight this land. I go free the land. I want to leave my job for come join the thing. And now we count 2 mile. And I'll free the land. And all them they go see. Maybe Field Marshal shall watch and see. They go see what you are feed you. And no man, no they will move me out of the BLM. So I know fight the land. So I thank you plenty for
General Ayeke, now so as don't leave Field Marshal, you do work with any group, either for inside the BLM for any or for any other place for inside Ambazonia.
Okay, thank you very much. I don't first hear some people don't complain, call me, say, they don't hear say, Yabacho, he don't buy me. I dey try for tell una one thing. I need to work with no man for the moment. I still dey as una dey see me so. And that way I go start my own work as I just want start. Una go hear who I be. So, I be sorry for that word. Either Ayabacho or any other person. I need to work with anybody. And I know ADF soldiers when I'm my fellow colleagues for Ground Zero, we will communicate together. We will work like colleagues, and that is all. Even their patron where they say they work with me. You know, they don't talk with me even for fun. For one time. Don't be very surprised and sorry for hear that one.
Thank you very much. General Ayeke, you be run and run. You be call for Field Marshal, you run. Or you want run, you carry some weapon and take and go.
Okay, as when I see me now, Field Marshal I don't talk say, they don't call people, don't say I run, so they send people to go catch me. I carry my bag now for you front with the presence of all the soldiers. There he say the government where I don't see them. If we continue war na for that style, plenty people go die. I decide say I go till they fix that camp fine before I fit come there again. Because if you don't see say the camp don't turn now the bang people their team. And picking them they die. I say I deny that one. I'm a full trained soldier in profession. Well, I don't decide for leave that my work for come fight this struggle. But I don't come meet up people, I fit teach them. They always show me the power. I know we come forever, can't claim power. Me tell them that one.
Jayeke, you be willing now, because we're getting only one option, going to Boya. And one of the options now for free Lebialem. You be willing now, because Field Marshal now your papa, now your brother, you are don't work for long. You be willing for collaborate with you now, for take and free this land, because one hand know the tie bundle.
Thank you very much for that question. Well, don't ask me. Now one thing this, Field Marshal don't be my boss. I don't save ye. I don't be faithful for ye. But right now, as I tell you now, I be angry. After all the trust and what you are don't do inside Red Dragon, you get courage for who come talk for media. Say some my soldier they won't die, na me shoot them, kill them. He talks say la Republic want enter one camp. I know. Me, I no want collaborate with you again. Because Field Marshal teach me anything as war is concerned. The only thing I fit tell the whole Ambazonia people, who I don't learn from Field Marshal, after being with him for close to 2 years, na tradition and propaganda. And I hate that one. We are out for the truth. Must stop propaganda. I don't fight war inside Red Dragon. Wait till they call Red Dragon soon and me they call him. But he don't come for money to FA I thank you very much. And now we go fight that war.
For that soldier, the way they lost for war front, where they accuse you, how you feel defend them?
Okay. The only thing I feel talk and I say, God the outside and for all we. Not spoil my name that because you want to bring ye down. Or the fear say it will go do something. Maybe that one thing will pass you on. Move stop that one. Move get clear conscience. I know Field Marshal a problem. Not call yourself say the king of the whole BLM. Who enough you defend that BLM. Me leave the BLM. Me give chances for young people where they get that talent. May they free the land. And me Ambazonia people know one thing. Say Red Dragon, na only name. Na people bear that name. May the name not confuse them. Our highest thing, na togetherness. And that togetherness will take me for Boya. Not been a lie. I hate for see people they lie. Tell we don't be big man, Mark short man, you they lie. I see I'm so I laugh. But I the promise Ambazonia people, I go free the land. Na commando. Nigeria Ayeke this, popularly known as commando. Una don't hear. Few weeks ago, una 5 years I don't die. Na lie. That people were accused, were right and send for una. Say na me kill them. Someone even die na for Ngutndong, who are not be go that battle. Second person die when na Amoka, La Republic Amoka shitty for here. Red Dragon get some Amoka. Where they open my skin so Field Marshal stop lie. Now your direct assistant they talk the one. And my tell you against on one thing. People where they go for medias for deliver informations. May they try carry out investigation before going for medias. May not just hear something, run go announce them. They go take one of their head. May they be careful. Now me they talk.
To work with interim government, you be willing for work with interim government because our problem is to free the land. You be willing for work with interim government?
I be very willing, and I did talk with them already. And I go work, they will see. I not be that kind of small people. And make the people again. Any commander where they call either diaspora or whatsoever, where they dey for ground zero, they call them. May they try for verify one thing, for investigate. No commander not there for ground zero. When need to go for war front, where if you command soldiers, fine. Because you don't know the sound. You don't know the differences between La Republic sound for gun and Amber sound. We are fighting with local weapons. And man will sleep now for house. The send na people they go. You know, ever command fine. Because you don't know what you will, picking them, they go for bush, go face them. Like bullet. Some all commanders at the back, may they go for war front. May they not begin to hide for house, make na propaganda. Make noise for nothing. People should lead soldiers to the war front like me. I don't lead soldiers to the war front. I'll be proud of that. And I'll still do. And I'll free the land. They will see.
Then when you become General Ayeke, you will try to organize certain sub-camps for inside the BLM. For example, you will organize some camp for Morbing village, where be for border. And then at the year, so many allegations, so many blackmailing say they don't buy that Morbing camp. I don't know, all this kind of talk, the commander for Usa, what do you have to say concerning that one?
Okay, fine. All do have to talk concerning that one, I say. This word, where people they bring them say, they don't buy man. Whole La Republic don't buy man. How La Republic fi buy me? I dey kill you every day. For example, me one. If I don't kill La Republic soldiers small, me one, there will be at least 200. Who I don't kill them. Since I leave my work, come join the team. I'm a B in profession. Who I decide for drop that thing, come free my land. But who come here say La Republic don't buy people. But now this still you, who don't buy. You will shoot them, kill them day and night. I be organized, put some sub-camp for Morbing. Put someone from Berenka. All that sub-camp them. See my shadow disarm them. So they remain the one from my village where he never disarm them now because they fear me. Say if you try, it not go work. You don't disarm all. Carry their weapon, them take and go. Because he one say, me they talk the whole BLM, me they say na he one. We need to fight that war inside that the whole BLM. And the focus you want are all inside the bank. The BLM not be only as Z or Menji. The BLM is divided into 3 subdivisions and the land is so large.
But
we give opportunity for people for free the land. But we not carry something only.
Wait,
all I'm waiting the fit for do.
I want to ask you something. We don't notice something inside the BLM. We say Red Dragon be plenty. Getting to almost for 1,000 something. Now we go for quarters, we see picking them. They see picking them. They don't run all. What to be your own reason? When you see why we just picking? They run only one wrong gunner for houses. Tell us more here.
The only thing I fit tell you concerning that one, because of what it. Dictatorship, power. We not there for olden German governing system where they be forget them. Where Peking go make small error, they put it for down. They flog you like a snake. Now one of the main reasons that way Peking them don't run, they there for quarter. Because inside camp, you see people who need to ever go war. Their own work, they be professional. For flog people, they are picking them. Lay them. I see say that one. I don't advise that one, Tara. Say me to stop. If a soldier, if you make error, may they correct it by punishment. Not say the catch Peking lay you like snake. No. So, second point again, we get sub-camps. As you bring idea, they will say you over small. At times they say, because I not come out for the bank. But now, I be one camp, I feel say, all win are one. Now, reason that I believe I'm go join you the field marshal. But I don't see, say, the talent who I get them for my skin. It need to permit me for prove that talent. For move them. Because of power, dictatorship, blackmailing. No. I said no. And I need to beg no man. I need to beg no man. I need to fear no man. No man not be recruit me for the one. Now me one be decide leave my work, come. And I become a problem now for free the land. I not become for the year nonsense from people. If I did respect person, me no say that because I like him, not that because I fear you. Because if not that war, if you fight.
You come out Red Dragon way, you no get no weapon. Now who say you get weapon before you take and fight? Now.
Okay, thank you very much. I come out Red Dragon. I want come out. My own gun will be get a hang and back for you. Say take your gun. I'm going to free other zone of the BLM. If I go with the gun tomorrow, I'll progress. I'll use the local weapon. Go seize more than one. You can't talk say because I be go with your weapon. If you not see any one weapon for here, when I know say na personal effort for my pa wey be big commander for my village, General Paul. Where as I be go join, I can't put that camp for my village. Ye the General Paul, it be all they be under we. But see my child will be big man for all man. You know we don't pick one weapon. GM say na camp that. I even surprised the day when I come open the camp. I come install the camp for me. Ye day so if he say they take weapon for outside. If he say they chop water. They become surrender we for camp. They carry 2 carton granite. Take them go. You can hold some camp talk saying I sub camps. Where that is sub camp. No one granite no there. But he pack 2 carton for under bed. He call himself say commander for the whole of BLM. I said no. No. May the government ask you. If we don't give one Bible, I mean 1 round for this camp, then me testify.
Okay, no, we don't, yes.
We'll be very ready for harvest, what you don't plant them. And we'll stop lie. The only thing we go free the land are the truth. I know we believe say big people so they feed the lie. The rate of the lie, it don't too much. I be one commodity I go tell you say as I go so. I want go fight for other part. Where I go to communicate with you. I go seize weapon them for La Republic. I'll carry them, come give your own. Like Mapa. But you rate of lie, where don't lie against me for media. You don't make them, I don't be angry. And even for communicate so, you need to pay me. Now me one become. I need to fear no man. If man want match Mate, me be very careful. As small but dangerous. I become now for free the land. I not become for compare power with any man. But if person did come from my back with any nonsense, me be careful. Thank you.
How do you collaborate with other generals, your colleagues from Batibo, Manu, Mehmed, and so on?
Me, for Ground Zero, nearly all the commander them, they know me. I don't meet up with them. We share together. You know if you call any commander, you ask about commando of the BLM, he tell you anything wrong about me. Because now people who I don't work out with them, they don't see me, they don't hear my work, they don't hear what you are be capable for do, and they don't hear so I don't do. That's why I meet up with them so now joy. I don't get any problem with any Ground Zero commander. We love each other. And I'll be very happy for the collaborate with them. We work together for free the land.
Say one last word for interim government. For to encourage them, say, may they help you, may they give you assistance, or they help you for support you, or for encourage you, may you fight this war fine for free.
Yeah, the only thing I fit tell the interim government, I shall say for now, I don't ask them anything. But how I go start my action them. They go here, and themselves they will call me. Say no, we don't confirm them. Say you be get right. Inside Red Dragon, they don't bring down my spirit. Because they need to permit you for express what you get them for your mind. Any idea where if you bring the company for front, that way one bring them. You just hear some arrogant, shut up. Then if you insist, they go put you for down, flog you like a snake. So it make them now any man the idea. You just get that shit on because if you talk, they go lay you. If you don't pass my power, if you don't try for solve that one entire. So for now, I don't shift. I want fight other zone them for the BLM. And the whole world, interim government, they go see. I not like propaganda. Must stop propaganda. Must speak the truth, the reality. Must stop lie. Propaganda. You need to fight war. War na for fee. You shoot. They see. You need to shoot war with mob. We shoot for battlefield. Mu not shoot on na for house, the fight war for house. Call interim government, tell them all kind lie. Say they don't shoot war, do na lie. Mu go shoot direct. Before want to tell interim government, may they begin to see them. We don't send them. Plenty attacks them don't be. Where the talk say don't happen inside the BLM by Red Dragon. All the attack we una know. Na me carry am. Na me. So one never ever be one, no day. Apart from the one where they enter for Bamileke and from Wundung, just of recent, where they go for they lost 6 people. Where they want go, I deny. They tell me, say, if I'm not there, they will also fight war. So they want proof for me. They go from Wundung for go challenge me. Before they go lost 6 people for the first time. Now the only simple message there, figure una. Attack from Wundung be challenge. Where they want talk say, I want come to the fight war. If I know they will also fight. They go read for it. They lost 6 people. I not be there. I be deny the attack. Mu talk the truth. Mu stop lie.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jerayeke. But I want to beg you say, you go to 5 minutes with your papa Fima Shamona being together, because after everything, our promise is to free LBLM. You don't have any personal problem with him. I'm
Thank you
sure.
very much. I don't have any personal problem with him. My only problem is this. For woke up, after saving him, like a direct son, I don't give all my mind, all my life for this struggle, particularly for Fimasha, but he don't fail me. And the only thing I tell people when I say, as war is concerned, Fimasha cannot learn me anything. Fimasha cannot learn me anything as war is concerned. I don't tell when I say I don't learn only 2 things from Fimasha, tradition and propaganda. As war is concerned, 0. I be master planner. I plan the war, I go fight. It is succeed. But me and you not get problem. The all problem will get them. Now lie way talk against me. So they say I don't kill my own personal 2 soldiers for bush. I thank you very much. But me be ready for harvest the way don't plant them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jerayeke. Thank you very much, soldiers. This interview, it don't be presented by Special Branch Unit for Ground Zero, where they work with many soldiers, will be very good in investigation. And to add, I want for big diaspora, say, the BLM division, it get 3 subdivisions. That those 3 subdivisions must have very good camps and strong camps. You have Wabane, Alo, and Fontem Central. There is decentralization of power. There is decentralization of administration. And we should also advise us in the BLM to carry out good administration as far as military is concerned. It's not shooting, going ahead shooting, killing, which is the same thing. We also have to advise soldiers who have now to carry out good administration, like the badges you see on the badge, which is on the Jerayeke. I think this administration, this identification, and you have a person who has been doing it, which one day you will know that person. His identity should not be released by now. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jerayeke. Thank you, soldiers. Thank you very much.